In this video, we will explain how to install the CRM 200S RF series microphone in a tabletop. First, drill a 58mm or 2¼ inch hole through the table. Feed the cables and the microphone through the table until the CRM microphone is sitting comfortably on the table. Feed the cables through the brass nut and screw the brass nut all the way to the top of the shaft, securing the microphone to the tabletop. Using the supplied cable P-clamps, tie the microphone cables under the table. You must leave 24mm or 1 inch of cable slack for the CRM mic to rise fully. Next, use 2 short wood screws to secure the TSC1 under the table close to the CRM S microphone. Connect the blue and red wires from the gray reed switch cable to the supplied Phoenix connector and connect it to the RS in port. Connect the RJ45 from the CRM S mic to the TS in port and the TS out to your DSP or control system with a regular Cat5 cable. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at ClockAudio.com.